Excellency, I thank you my credentials which are 20 years in New Canada to every holiday.
On Italian, of course, this is kind of situation to you.
Thank you. I have just presented my credentials to the President of the Federal Republic of Somalia. I'm particularly grateful for this warm welcoming, which testifies of the strengthness of our bilateral relationships. Somalia is a very special country for Italy, and I'm sure that also Somali institutions, and not only, also Somali people share this feeling. I will do my best to further promote these relationships by granting support, Italian support to Somali efforts to build a prosperous and free, united, and strong and peaceful with its neighbors, Somalia. Thank you very much. Thank you to the Somali people. Thank you to Somali Minister for Foreign Affairs, and above all, thank you to President Hassan Sheikh for having received me and granting me also this particular attention. I hope that we work together in a very effective, successful way. Thank you.